Best free websites to learn coding in 2025. Are you ready to learn coding without spending a single cent? Whether you're aiming to become a full-stack developer, build your own apps, or just explore the digital world, 2025 is the best time to start. But with so many platforms out there, which ones are actually worth your time? In this video, we'll walk you through the best free websites to learn coding in 2025. No fluff, no upsells, just pure value. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why you should be learning to code in 2025. High-paying jobs in tech are more accessible than ever. Coding gives you the freedom to freelance or work remotely. You gain the power to build your own apps, tools, and businesses. AI is everywhere, and coding helps you build, control, and profit from it. And the best part? You don't need a degree anymore. You just need the right resources, and we've got you covered. First up, FreeCodeCamp.org, a goldmine for coders of all levels. It offers over 9,000 plus hours of coding content. You can earn certifications in responsive web design, JavaScript, Python, APIs, and more. Engage in hands-on coding directly in your browser. Build real projects to enhance your portfolio. Bonus, they even have a thriving YouTube channel and a community forum. It's 100% free and 100% beginner-friendly. If you're serious about becoming a developer, the Odin Project is your next stop. It provides a full curriculum in web development. You'll cover Git, Linux, HTML/CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and databases. The project-based learning approach lets you build while you learn. Experience real-world workflows with GitHub integration. You'll feel like you're preparing for a real job, not just watching tutorials. Want to learn from the best? CS50 is Harvard's free intro to computer science. It's hosted on edX and YouTube. The course teaches you problem solving, C programming, algorithms, and data structures. It's great for aspiring developers and future computer scientists. It's academically rigorous but designed for everyone. Even if you're just curious, it's worth it. Looking for quick explanations, syntax examples, and a live coding editor? W3schools.com is your friend. It covers HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, PHP, Python, Java, and more. The Build, Try It Yourself feature is perfect for hands-on learning. It's great for reference and brushing up. If you're the type that learns by doing, this one is perfect for you. Yes, Codecademy has a paid plan, but did you know their free tier still offers interactive lessons in HTML, CSS, Python, and JavaScript? You get immediate feedback as you code. The platform has a great UI/UX for beginner coders. Follow career paths at your own pace. It's a sleek, engaging platform that's perfect for dipping your toes into coding. Want to go beyond the basics? MIT OpenCourseWare gives you free access to world-class computer science courses. You'll find real lecture videos, assignments, and exams. Learn topics like machine learning, AI, software engineering, and more. This is more for intermediate to advanced learners, but the quality is unbeatable. Whether you're a teenager or a curious adult, Codecademy offers interactive JavaScript and web design courses. Dive into animation and game development basics. The courses are visual, engaging, and super friendly for first-timers. They make learning fun and stress-free. Don't forget about Solo Learn, offering bite-sized lessons and mobile-first learning. Geeks for Geeks is great for coding interview prep and CS fundamentals. GitHub Learning Lab provides hands-on GitHub workflows and automation. MDN Web Docs offers detailed documentation, a must for web developers. LinkedIn Learning, free with trials or school access, has practical, polished courses. So, what's the best platform for you? Want structure and certification? Go with FreeCodeCamp or Odin Project. Want elite content? CS50 and MIT have you covered. Want to learn fast on your own schedule? Try W3 Schools and Solo Learn. Visual and young at heart? Codecademy's for you. The truth is, you can learn coding entirely for free in 2025. You just need commitment, curiosity, and consistency. So what are you waiting for? Pick a platform, start building, and your future self will thank you.